What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Matt. If you're new here, I run a laser engraving and embroidering and printing shop out of my garage. So welcome. This video is about what they don't tell you about owning your own business. So you can tell I got the laser going. I'm about to start up this laser. I have the embroidery machine going. Well, stopped right now because I'm doing the video. I got these two going. So it is currently 4:10 in the morning. I got up at 3. I couldn't sleep. This is what happens when I start to get really, really busy. I can't sleep. It's always on my mind. I know there's stuff to be done. And there's a lot to be done. There is a lot. All this. I feel like no one tells you that in the video. And I don't know, maybe it's just me. But there's time when I get really busy like this, I wake up early, I don't know why, and I just do, and I go. And I don't know, I used to stay up pretty late, and I think that was messing with me more than anything. And now I go to bed around 9:30, 10 o'clock. I try to. When I'm really swamped, I'll stay up until midnight and keep going. But then it's the same thing. My body just is like, all right, you're good, get up. And then I get up at 3 or 4. 3 is not normal, but normally it's 4. Average week I get up at 5. But this is crazy. I got a lot of work going on, so a lot of people won't talk about all this. I wouldn't say stress, but you start like, I don't think it's stress, but you start thinking about everything that's going on, and you're like, okay, a timeline, and you start thinking like, hey, this might take X amount of seconds. This might take X amount of seconds. So you have to get moving and get something done. So I'm constantly thinking like that and always trying to stay ahead of the game. Almost done. It's a picture frame. Name's not on there yet, so I can show you. But I can't stress enough that it's probably the best thing I've ever done is owning a business. But also, like, the downsides of it is you have to do all this work you said yes to, and you have to make sure it gets done in a timely manner also, because you will start to lose customers, and I am not about to do that. So I'd rather wake up. I do have my help, but it's now coming into warmer weather, so I'm losing him. He's cutting his hours a lot, and I can feel it. I've taken on a lot of work, and yeah. So my wife and I are talking. I need a bigger shop. Like, this is just, it's packed. You guys, I'm packed. I have 2 more orders coming in today, and I'm full. I am full. I need to shift gears. So God's got a plan. I'm just waiting for it to unravel in front of me and let Him tell me what it is. And until then, I gotta keep going. So you guys are wondering, this machine's set up. I'm doing beanies left and right on these to finish this out. And then I have on this job, I have a bunch of polos going on this machine, and I have a bunch of, what was I doing on there? Old blocks, and then eggs on the other one. So I can't do it with my hands full or talking to you guys. But the main thing is sleep comes later, I guess, right? The other thing is your growing pains. This is a critical time in my business, and I really want to record as much as I possibly can with this, because this is probably never gonna, it's a different stage in business. So I've never gone through this, and this is what got me scared in 2019, is I started growing so fast, and I kind of pulled back the reins, and I didn't want to do it, and I was scared. And then I heard that quote, and it's, if you're scared or not scared, if you're uncomfortable, you're moving forward. If you're comfortable, you're not moving forward. And I looked back when I heard that, and I was like, I got comfortable and I didn't move forward. I went down, business went down, and then it stayed even, leveled out. So ever since then, I've been uncomfortable. And boy, am I telling you, I am uncomfortable. And it's going great, So I'm letting it grow. The next stage is going to be growing pains, and I want to make sure you guys see it, so you guys can get to this point, and feel the same pain I'm feeling. So many days later, I didn't close out that video, and I got to go edit it. I'm still working, but now it's 9 in the morning. So I'm gonna end the video. Glad you guys see me again. Bye.